guys. It's me. So we're going to. I haven't made a video in a while, but now I'm finally making another one. So we're going. I've seen this animation tons of times. I want to show you guys because it's pretty cool. It's called Rainforest Island, and it's a made-up mice and monsters concept. Like in my last video where when I reacted to Revenge. Well, that was my last video I ever made till I got this new channel because my other one was deleted because my grandma had to get a new phone. So we're going to watch this concept, Rainforest Island. We're going to react, okay? Tell me if you guys liked it. Bye-bye.